नेक्स्ट टाइम प्लीज़ चेक्स भेजना मेरे घर के रेंट भरने के लिए, राशन सब कुछ प्लीज़ तुम अडॉप्ट कर लो मुझे. बट नहीं, किडिंग. Very thankful and glad that you could send all this, and all these gifts were pending. So, but I received at the right time during Diwali. So thank you so much for sending all these valuable stuff, and you've taken a lot of efforts to buy all this. So I thank you so much, Mahi. Thank you. Wish I could meet you one day. Please make sure you get in touch with me so that we can meet. Thank you. So I can thank you personally at least. From Etika Shrestha. Etika, you have sent me a gift before. I know it very well because I remember your name. And you sent it all the way from Nepal. So thank you. देख लो पहले कहाँ से. एतिका, आपने इतनी दूर से नेपाल से ये भेजा है. थैंक यू सो मच. वेरी हेवी लो. एंड very nicely made. इसका अपना लेटर लिखा है. Sending this to you all the way from Kathmandu. Thank you, Etika. Thank you. I loved it. I will send this somewhere. Sasha, you've sent me more stuff. How cool is that? Thank you, Sasha. But क्या है मतलब दिवाली न्यू ईयर क्या है, सब एक साथ ही भेज दिया तुम्हें. वेरी नाइस, वेरी थॉटफुल. मैंने ये देखा है आज चीज़ में, मुझे पता है. But wherever you got it from, thank you so much for being so thoughtful. And thank you. So that wraps up the gift segment for Diwali, New Year, for Christmas, for everything. And that was a very long gift segment although. Thank you so much every one of you for making my Diwali so special, and I loved each and every gift of yours. You've sent some of them are very valuable, and some of them I have seen there were no names on it. So please get in touch with me if you've sent it, and thank you so much for sending all this love. I'm sorry I'm not well. I'm not feeling well. I'm not in the right mood. तो तबीयत सही नहीं है मेरी. That's why I'm very low right now. बट अंदर से मेरी एक्साइटमेंट है, बट एनर्जी नहीं है. थॉट प्रोसेस कहीं और है. बट यू गाइज हैव सेंट अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ, राइट फ्रॉम ग्रोसरी टू ड्राई फ्रूट्स टू स्वीट्स टू चॉकलेट्स टू क्लोथ्स टू वॉचेस टू ईयरफोन्स टू एवरीथिंग. गॉड डैम इट, टू लेटर्स that you've taken so much of time to write on it. So thank you so much for sending so much of love, so much of happiness. And मुझे लगा था आप लोग मुझे भूल गए एक्चुअली, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. बट नो, दैट वाजंट, आई गेस आई वाज रॉन्ग. बट येस, जब ये आते हैं हमेशा मुझे अक्सर बोलती है कि इन्हें बहुत सारे लाइक शी हैज़ टू बी ब्लेम्ड फॉर इट बिकॉज शी इज़ नॉट एबल टू सेंड द गिफ्ट्स टू मी ऑन टाइम. So I am sorry for that. It's my fault. They take a lot of efforts to bring all these gifts to me, and trust me, आप जितना efforts उठाते हो उतने ही वो भी efforts उठाते हैं to make sure that these gifts, each and every gift of yours is received by me, is opened by me, and is shown to you guys to make sure that you guys get to know that ये पहुँचा है मेरी तरफ, मुझ तक. So thank you so much Telebytes for it, and thank you so much every one of you, and I hope Telebytes had a great Diwali, and also you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and you guys celebrated the way I did, because I spent my Diwali with my family. And again, this, I must say, this gift segment was one of the best gift segments that I've received. So I enjoyed thoroughly. I must say कि मैं गिफ्ट सेगमेंट के स्टार्ट पर बहुत ही ऑफ मूड था, बट टुवर्ड्स द एंड काइंड ऑफ मेरा मूड बहुत कुछ एक चेंज हुआ है इनको देखकर, आपका प्यार देखकर. सो आई थैंक यू गाइज, आई थैंक टेलीबाइट्स फॉर इट. सो थैंक यू सो मच, एंड होपफुली आपका प्यार ये प्यार बरकरार रहे आगे भी. और जिसने भी गिफ्ट्स भेजे, गेट इन टच विथ मी, ट्राई सेंडिंग मैसेजेस टू मी सो दैट आई कैन थैंक यू पर्सनली on social sites. So yes, and please continue the love and support for the show, and also for me in the future, because I will be having other stuff to do for me. So let's see if your wishes come true, and hopefully we all hope for the best. Thank you so much.